What's up, my unique people? It's VLOGMAS Day 4. Before we get into the video, make sure you like,
comment, subscribe,
and turn that post notifications. And yeah, just comment down below. What do you guys think we should do for VLOGMAS Day 6? And right now, we are heading to go look at a house. So yeah, just stay tuned for that, and I'll get back with you guys once I'm at the house. Guys, this is one bedroom. This is the bathroom. This is that. This is a living room. That's another living room. This is what? The kitchen. What is that? The garage. This is the backyard. The backyard is okay size. You could just cut the grass. This is the master bedroom. Oh my goodness. Ooh, tub. So guys, this is where it's at. To the laundry room in the house. Ooh, curl.
You ever think the house is sitting there?
look at the fridge.
Okay, so now we are heading to go to Dollar Tree. We're finna go to Dollar Tree and get all the Christmas things to build. It's called Build a Present. We're gonna do a Build a Present tomorrow for VLOGMAS Day 5, so stay tuned for that video. And yeah, so I'll meet you guys once we're at Dollar Tree getting all the things we need for VLOGMAS Day 5.
Hey guys, we are at the dollar store right now. I have my cousins with me.
No, the phone is water damaged. What is that?
Alright, now we're gonna be entering inside.
Okay, so I already know I'm gonna get the gingerbread, and then I want to get the stocking, the snowman, and the angel. Okay, so no. So we're gonna get, how many come here? One. We're gonna get 6 of these because 6 of us. Oh, they have snowman's one too. They have a snowman and gingerbread. Which one do you want?
No.
I'm gonna get 3 snowman and 3 gingerbread.
You want gingerbread or snowman?
Which one do you guys think we should get? This one or this one? So we're getting these light up. Make sure all the lights work. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 3 more hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 more. 5. I don't see no paint, no paint, no paint. What is that?
I think I found, hold on, I think I see some paint.
That one's dead.
This one?
Let me see.
That one is dead. This one is dead. That one?
Here, hold it.
It's like, get your songs on. Just that one is good. That one is good. It's a girl. There's a female, and this is a male.
They're dead.
That was the one from the garage. Let me got that one. That was the one. Get that one. I'm here, Friday. You know, Friday. Those ones are right in the bag.
Wait, you guys don't eat females?
Yeah. Oh.
Well,
Bye, guys. Why are you running? What are you running?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Run again. Run. Run again. Alright, guys. So, put this in the trunk. Whew, alright. So, I got the crab.
Open sesame.
We'll get back with you guys when I'm at, what store do I want to go to?
going to another store?
I think I'm going to go to Sam's Club. Either Sam's Club or Walmart. I'm going to go to Walmart. Alright, you guys, this is how we're doing it. So this is Noah's. So this is Noah box. Everybody's going to get a container like this. What are you doing?
I was, doing music.
Why are you taking it?
You said you need
So this is Noah's. Right now I'm just writing everybody name tags on this and put it with their box, but I don't know how I'm gonna put this one in their box. So I'm just writing everybody's name on their name tags and attach them to the box. And I'm going to put this in the background. I think I have another one that's red. This is going to the background. This is a DIY, whatever. Unique Life of Kia. So yeah, I'm gonna decorate that one, put it on the wall, background. They can see you.
Yesterday, what's y'all? Dang.
Alright, y'all. This is the end of the video. Make sure you guys stay unique.
Hey,
My people. Bye.